Let's take a look at how to install the Octane for LightWave plugin. First, let's go on the Octane website, like that. And from here, we can log in with our username and password. Of course, you need to register to be able to do that. And log in. Of course, you have to download and install the Octane Renderer standalone version, 64 or 32 bits, and install it and activate it. As soon as you've done with that, you can select Octane Renderer for LightWave here, and from this page you'll be able to download the LightWave plugin. So let's download the more recent version of Octane 2.0. Clicking on download, and let's save this archive. So once the download is completed, we can of course extract the archive in a folder. That's it. So the first thing we should do is to copy some files in the LightWave folder. So first, we want to install the 64-bit version in this case. We can go in Support, Plugins, and create an Octane folder if we want, and copy the plugin. Just copy paste here, should work. Okay. Next, we have to copy some files in the bin folder. So bin, let's go back here. Those two files, Octane DAT and Octane DLL. Let's copy and paste them here. Now we can finally open Layout, and under Utilities, select Add Plugins and add Octane. Now we can add the Octane menus to our menus. So let's go under Edit, Edit Menu, Layout, and we can click on Main Menu. We can import branch. Of course, in the archive we extracted it. We can find Octane menu, and here we are. All the Octane menus are in. Now, first thing to do is to click on Enable Plugin. This will check for the standalone Octane license. But of course, the plugin is not activated yet. So let's click on Plugin Options, and from here we can input the Octane Live user ID and Octane Live password. So let's go back to the Octane download page. This time, let's click on Octane Live Accounts, and here we can find the Octane Live username and password. So let's copy the Octane Live username and then the password, and activate it. Now, Octane licenses are ready. We can close this panel, and we're ready to go.